Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, December 22nd. The reflection for today is monitor your life. What do you want? What do you need for your spirit to be content? The red leather pumps in their catalog don't count. Do you want to be less busy? Okay, then go to your calendar and delete one commitment for this month. I dare you to delete two. Come on, make the phone call. There. Do you feel relief? Do you have a strange feeling of your gut? It's pride. You did it. And it's joy. You've begun to live with intention, to put your energy and attention in a place that builds toward contentment. You're honoring the divine in you, giving it time to breathe and grow. Some people say their children keep them busy. Set an example for your children. Tell them you're taking time, say Wednesday evening, to care for yourself. I will sometimes say, I need some alone time. There are simple words to remember, but are often difficult to speak. Practice on someone close to you. I practiced on my 8-year-old son. He was engaged in his activities, and I told him I needed some alone time in the studio. I set the timer for 30 minutes. He could check the timer if he needed to, but I assured him I would be down when it rang. I'm an awesome mom when I come down those stairs 30 minutes later. Don't worry, you will come down those stairs too. You will return to mothering or whatever it is you need to do. And you will be better mentally and physically. And you will make a habit of taking time for yourself. Because people tend to repeat activities that feel good. Your biology will react positively to contentment inducing behavior. There will be a peace that will grow within you. It is a necessity for your wholeness and a gift for those around you. Do you know how often you use and hear the word stress each day? When you hear this word, your whole being focuses on stress. Just think if you focused on increasing your calmness, finding peace in each day. That's what you need to do. See and hear. Living with intention also means you monitor the quality of your spirit life. Engage in thoughts and activities that bring you to a contented place. Contentment is not boring or without excitement. Contentment is passion fulfilled. It is vitality. It stays with you, becomes a part of your being. You have it within you now. Take the time to unwrap it. Contentment is divine. The gods smile when you are content. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle and arrive into stillness. Maybe you want to close your eyes gently or keep them open, your choice. And take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension. And feel the breath entering your nose cool and light as you inhale. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now repeat after me, silently or out loud. I am monitoring my life. I am saying yes to the activities that bring me joy. I am honoring myself. I am nourishing my spirit. I am discovering contentment daily. Let's do it one more time. I am monitoring my life. I am saying yes to the activities that bring me joy. I am honoring myself. I am nourishing my spirit. I am discovering contentment daily. Now bring your hands to your heart and, as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with simply breathing and simply being. Let your mantra for today be, I am monitoring my life. I am saying yes to the activities that bring me joy. I am honoring myself. I'm nourishing my spirit. I am discovering contentment daily. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.